See if we can't get this drone up in the air. Check my handy dandy instruction kit before I go flying. GPS should be set. Can you even see it? Trees are a little bit higher than I thought. We have selected auto land. And here it comes. Well, who knew? I'm a drone pilot. We'll take this inside, check out the footage, and see if we did any good with our filming here at Blue Sky Farms. I'm just really happy that it's back in one piece and not stuck in a tree somewhere. So, successful first flight outside. Oh, I hope I didn't do that. All that flying for nothing. And after a nice, easy 10-minute flight, we're back. See if we can take it up again. Do a nice 360. Go back to the pond. A little bit more. Take it up a little bit higher. Fly it down there a little ways. Now bring her back home for the auto landing. It's stopping right above me. slowly making its way back to the ground. Well, quite the adventure. First time we came down here and flew the drone, I flew it without the SD card, so 10 minutes of flying, no camera work. Brilliant. That was really frustrating. It was a really nice flight all around the place. This second flight was a little bit more controlled because my battery wasn't fully charged. But this thing is a lot of fun. Now my problem is just going to be how to get this video from the card on the drone onto my iPad so I can edit the entire thing and drop it into a YouTube video. I don't have any kind of conversion equipment or a plug and play that will transfer it, but we'll figure that out. I'll tell you one thing, I am actually a licensed pilot. I fly like real airplanes. I haven't flown in a while, but I can fly real airplanes. This is harder. It's really, it's very twitchy on those toggle controls. Everything makes it want to roll off the axis, whether it's pitch or whether it's, roll or turn. It's just very, very, very sensitive. So typically airplanes give you a little bit of warning. You kind of feel them a little bit more. It takes a little bit more input, especially the small airplanes I fly. You can feel them kind of in the seat of your pants. But all you got is a little box, a little control panel, and you do have a screen. You can see that illuminated. You just get to watch where you're flying, but that doesn't help you become less twitchy. So to put a really nice bow on this experimental first couple of flights outside, it was a lot of fun. We'll get better at it. Maybe I can get that information or that video into a YouTube video and show you what the place looks like from above. So we managed not to break the drone. That was the goal. That was my ultimate goal for today. Not hang it up in a tree, not crash it, not run it out of battery and let it fall into the lake. And I think we managed that. So one of the neat features I'll tell you about it is the auto takeoff and auto land. There are other drones that will do a follow me. So you can plug them in, jump on your tractor or just walk and they will follow along filming you. So I'm interested in trying to figure that out. We had a lot of fun this afternoon. Good weather, nice and cool. Not a lot of sun to blind you where you're trying to track it, but a good fun day flying a drone. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll get that video up if we can quite soon. See you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.